Hey guys, so today we got a big box here. This is the new addition to the business. So let's see what we got in here. I haven't opened this up, so I'm not exactly sure what's in here. We're gonna open this together. Alright. So we got the Poolin Embroidery Machine. This is going to be the new addition to Printify Apparel. We're going to be doing some embroidery sometimes. So we got our machine here, and I'm totally new at this, so I'm sure it's going to be a big learning curve here. But let's open it up together and just see what's in the box. So this took a few weeks to come from China. Actually, it was a little bit cheaper from Alibaba than it was from Amazon. I think I saved a good $150 by getting it from Alibaba. So we got a booklet here, the quick guide. That's that. And we got the big operation booklet with it. Seems to be well done actually. Lots of pictures and stuff in the booklet. Everything, I've seen some pretty bad instructions before when it came from China before on the other things. So this is nice that it's well made and well drawn out and stuff, and it's got lots of pictures, and it seems well made actually for the book anyways. So let's keep going here. We got a little pouch. Looks like we got some needles and you know, just some sewing stuff, some looks like scissors and just a couple of accessories, you know, nothing special. Power cord, very important. Here's our hoop. That's a pretty big hoop actually. It's 4 by 9, so it's a decent sized hoop. You know, we'll be able to make some pretty decent sized embroidery with this. Almost full shirt width anyways. That's actually a little bit bigger than I thought it was gonna be, so that's pretty cool. I like that I'll be able to do some big embroidery. I mean, I know it's not the fastest machine, so it could take a little bit of time to do some bigger stuff, but maybe if I do some overlays or something like that. Not quite sure what this thing is, so I'll have to learn here. Maybe it's to hold your bobbins or something, hold your different colors. Alright, so we do have some bobbins, a bunch of different colored bobbins that came with it. I'll have to figure out how all this stuff works actually, so totally 100% new to all this, so it's going to be a big learning curve. Wish me luck. Okay, we got another hoop here, smaller hoop. I think this looks like, I thought it was 4 by 4, but it looks a little bit triangle, so maybe 4 inches by 5 inches or something like that. So a smaller hoop for, you know, left chest or chest ones. What's this thing? A bag to put over top of your machine when you're not using it. Oh, that's kind of neat. Smells like real plastic anyways. Nice logo on the front. Poolin. Oh, looks like a rabbit or some sort of design there anyways. I'm not quite sure what it is, but anyways, next, this is nothing. A little thing to hook on something. Stick the foam out here. Alright, we got one machine in here. Let's pull the machine out. I'm going to put this box to the side here. I got my son Dawson doing the filming today. Thank you very much for doing the filming, Dawson. Here's the machine. This is the Poolin Embroidery Machine. Take it out of this bag. You know, I heard some decent things about this machine. Obviously it's not a multi-needle machine or multi-heads or anything like that. This one runs you about $500. So definitely just a startup model, but definitely for learning, for me, it's going to be perfect, and then it'll add some little bit of things I can do extra with my business. So it's got a nice, pretty nice big screen here for, you know, it's touch screen, so we'll be able to put in our logo and choose the design that you want, or even type stuff. It's got a few options for typing and stuff, and I think it's like 7 different fonts or something like that. I can't remember exactly how many fonts it's got, but I mean, it's a good startup little unit. Yeah, tape here. What else we got in here? So this is like the deck, I guess, kind of, where you're gonna attach your hoops here, and this will slide in right in here. And a couple more things in the box. We got some. They sent us some stabilizer, so that's good. We got some stabilizer here to start off with. Doesn't look big enough for the bigger hoop though, but you know, it's a good start anyways for the smaller hoops. This will go perfectly like this. And they send us some tread. It looks like we got some tread to start with. A little bit of a starter pack. If I can get it open. There we go. We got some bobbins in here, some treads. So we got a bunch of different colors. Green, blue, white, purple, red, and black. And they gave us actually a little USB stick to save our designs onto to get started with. So that's everything in the box. So now you know what comes with this Poolin device, I guess. So I'm gonna stop the video now, and we're gonna plug it in and just show you what it looks turned on. But I think that's as far as we're gonna get until I get tinkering with it some more. But yeah, this is an addition to our business here at Printify Apparel. So if you guys need some embroidery, very soon I'll learn this machine, and we'll be able to offer embroidery on our apparel that we sell. Thank you. Alright, so we got the machine plugged in. Here it is, all put together and stuff. I have no idea how it works yet, but we're going to figure that out. But there's already a pattern on here, and this is touchscreen, so we can move the pattern and stuff, and then we'll be able to choose lettering and text and write stuff, and we'll be able to make logos and stuff. So I gotta learn the machine yet, but I'm sure that's going to be a learning curve. But yeah, here we go to a new thing. Thanks guys.